Alright, welcome along guys. April the 21st, Wednesday, 2 p.m. in the afternoon. We're working all day on this one. We started here. We had steel delivered last week and we started painting it up yesterday. This one is the second one to be done on this block. There's the block of units they built, and this is the second house that was to be done here. And we just have a truck going past. Okay, so past him, get out of his way. There we go. Show you this house. It's only a little one. This one's getting brick wall all the way around. Vessel block wall. Concrete wall. And we've got all these steel beams, all done with the Interplus 1180. So all nicely protected against corrosion. And we just finished these ones. We'll be cleaning them with the 250s yesterday out in the sun. And these ones, they've got excavator starting on the 4 units, 4 townhouses that go across there tomorrow. They start on that. Well, we start on this. Getting this one up, and then next week my brother hopefully comes in next week. My brother's team to raise the house and move it to where it's got to go. So that's the goal anyway. So we don't put the steel in very often beforehand, but we are on this one. Just makes the job easier for this particular job. And it's able to do it because the spans are so short I don't have to worry too much about tensioning. Alrighty, well that's where we're at. We've got 250s on the big ones with just one stump in the middle. We've got a stairwell going in just here where that wall is there. Stairwell on this side of it. We've got to allow for that. That's what these little 200s are for, to help with that. And they've got a new deck going in out there. Alrighty, that's all right. We'll show you more as we do it. But yes, that's where we're doing the raise. And then they've got to dig it out. They've got to dig out nearly 1400 deep in that corner over there, and about 600 deep over here on this one. Oh, take a quick walk around the back. Was a nice big block. Did you guys see the video on the other one that was there? That's up the back behind the units now, from here. And this is the one that was there on the bottom end. And we were saying it was going to be moved later. Well, now later has come. It's almost a year ago. That time flies when you're having fun. And that's what we got to do there. Okay, I'll catch you guys again soon. Thanks for joining us. Please, hit that like button and subscribe button if you would, please. Very much appreciated. And we've got more videos coming on recycling soon too. Okay, catches. Thanks. Bye.